it half and half?
There's sunset from Kala. Over there, just to the right, is Lanai, the island of Lanai. To the left is the weather station, and it's flipping cold here. The sun is going beneath the clouds.
And there's a cloud passing over us. Look at the color.